Imagine having a research assistant that never sleeps, never misses a detail, and understands science like a PhD. Meet SciSpace Agent, the world's first AI built exclusively for researchers. Unlike generic AIs, this one doesn't just chat. It searches, reads, analyzes, and writes for you. From literature reviews to data crunching, it's your all-in-one research powerhouse. To get started, go on the link in my description and create an account. Once inside, you'll be greeted with this screen where you can provide a text-based prompt like any other tools you might have used. They also have a bunch of research-focused prompts that you can use right away. For example, if I want to create a research-focused website, I can just come here and click the Remix button. This populates a prompt directly in the text area. Here it says, create a modern website for a neuroscience lab. Add a homepage with lab overview, detailed pages for each research area, lab member profiles with photos and contact info. Let's try it out. So I'm going to click Enter. As you see, it's building a comprehensive plan for the website. It also opens up a live activity area where all the major tasks are mentioned. As you see in the bottom, this is a Magentic Workflow where the whole task is completed by the SciSpace agent. Now, while that's running, I can open up a new chat and start on a new workflow. Now, as you see here, we have a bunch of options. We can find research paper, extract data from PDFs, chat with PDFs, and a bunch of other things. Personally, I've been curious on a very specific area of AI. For that, I'm going to find some papers. So here, I'm going to say find papers on AI usage in the medical industry. Now, as you work on different tasks, you'll see this number right here. Since SciSpace Agent works on a credit-based system, this will reduce as you keep doing more tasks. So for that, I'm going to click Enter. And as you see here, SciSpace Agent is analyzing the research landscape on AI in the medical industry. It's found 100 relevant research papers and is providing all of the details right here. Now, if you go on this file section, you'll notice that our papers are organized in a list. Let's look at this one called Artificial Intelligence in Medicine. When you click on it, it opens up a new tab where you can access the PDF or listen to this as a podcast. I'm going to get the PDF. And just like that, I can access research papers on whatever I need. I'm going to go ahead and download it right here. Now, while I was looking for research papers, SciSpace was actually working on my neuroscience website right here. And as you see, it's still working on it. We have more files now. We have a lot more things coming up. It's not fully ready yet, but I can get a preview on the right. Let's go back and do a new task. Now, remember we just downloaded that PDF on usage of AI in medicine. We can upload the PDF with this file. Now, for this PDF, we can do a bunch of things. We can chat with it directly. I'm going to say, who is the author? Press Enter. Now, as you see, we have information about the authors and their contact info right here. Now, you can also create a scientific poster on any PDF or information that you want. For that, I'm going to click Remix, which pre-populates this prompt in my text area. Now, I could remove all this information and say for this PDF and link the same PDF again. I'm going to remove these sections here and the conclusion as well and press Enter. And as you see, it's now reading the PDF and preparing a scientific poster according to the PDF. As you see, it has confirmed that it can see the PDF file and is working on generating the poster. Alright, it says poster generation completed successfully and the dimensions are 48 by 36. Let's take a look. I'm going to download it. Let's take a look. Alright, we have an abstract introduction, AI in medicine, challenges and solutions and future prospects. This is basically a summary of this paper presented in a poster format. Now, of course, there's some work that I can do and make it look a bit nicer with some more visuals, but I didn't really provide that in the prompt. I can do that more whenever I want. But let's not forget that website that we started with. So I have this modern neuroscience website that I gave an instruction very early on. And as you see, the website is now live on this link provided. It has completed all 3 tasks that it started with, and it has given me a bunch of file, which gives me all the details of this website. Wow, that looks pretty nice, much nicer than I expected. It's called Neural Dynamics Lab. It has a section for research, the team, the news, publications, and some contact information. All of this can be edited since I have access to the actual files right here. Now, as you see here, it's not very fancy. It's just a bunch of HTML files. It's not like a very responsive React website. But if I want to change any code, I can change it right here. As you see here, we have a zip file with all the code I want. I can just click download, and that gives me the code in my local machine. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you understand how powerful SciSpace Agent can be. Now, personally, I'm not a researcher, but if you are one, please add a comment on what kind of things you struggle with when you use AI for research, because I think SciSpace Agent is a great way to solve those problems. I would like to know what area of research you're in and what kind of tasks you do on a day-to-day basis. Now, to celebrate the launch of SciSpace Agent, they are running a very special limited time offer just for you. For the next 2 weeks, you can get a massive 40% discount on the purchase of SciSpace Agent's add-on credits. All you need to do is to use the coupon code mentioned in my description at checkout. This will be available only for 2 weeks from today. But for now, I would like to thank SciSpace for sponsoring this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit like on this video. Till the next one, thank you so much.